Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dream 21 full guide. Start by learning card values and basic hands to know when to hit or stand. Practice table etiquette and betting limits before you play with real money. Focus on reading dealer tendencies and managing your bankroll with simple rules. Play low stakes to test strategies and build confidence, then gradually increase wagers as you master hand selection and timing. Learn the core rules so you can make fast decisions at the table. Familiarize yourself with hit, stand, double, and split options, and when each applies. Know how the dealer plays and how blackjack payouts differ from a regular 21. Memorize basic hand outcomes so you avoid costly errors. Keep actions quick and decisive to maintain game flow and reduce analysis paralysis during tense rounds. Adopt straightforward strategy habits that consistently improve results. Use a basic strategy chart to guide decisions on soft hands, hard hands, and pairs. Steer clear of insurance unless you have a solid counting edge. Practice bankroll discipline with session limits and bet sizing rules to avoid tilt and losses. Review hands after each session to identify mistakes and reinforce winning patterns until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.